Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. And for futures, and let's take a look at what's going on here. So we got, this is the yen futures, which moves its inverse than to dollar yen cash. Just one's yen to dollars, the other one's dollars to yen. But in general, if this is moving higher, you look for downside pressure on equities. You can see the last 2 days, it's been a little bit of a flight to quality, just people are nervous and things like that too. And the question is this just kind of a quick little pop and then it resumes its downtrend, or is it the start of something bigger? Now there is a weekly, and the reason this is important, there's a weekly squeeze here. You can see that's triggered. So, we could potentially get something that turns out to be much bigger. But what this does also is it puts downside pressure on stocks. So from the S&Ps, from a weekly perspective, all this is a pullback. If we look at the daily chart, a little more ominous. I do not have a position here in the indexes just because, bigger picture, the weekly chart is clearly higher. The other thing I've noticed is that when if the yen is going up, it does put pressure on the indexes. But if the yen goes back to trading sideways, the index is go back to rallying. So what we're saying, or what I'm noticing here, is that the yen really is going to have a powerful move up in order to say like, oh wow, the S&Ps are rolling over. So I think this is all going to come to a head here. We've got a squeeze setting up right now. The momentum's going higher, which implies a higher move. But if the yen is going to take off here, then this thing could get this could come down here and tag this 2304 level. So at this point, it's a little bit of hurry up and wait for the news, but you certainly want to keep an eye on the yen. The yen is in the driver's seat right here. Okay, hope it helps. Have a good night, and I'm going to dive into some more of the correlations in the premium video.